Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, I am so excited today. As you guys can already tell from the title of this video, I'm about to go and test drive the new 2021 Tesla Model 3. Oh, I'm so excited. Woo! I'm so excited. The weather outside is absolutely poop right now. Okay, it is raining, but that is London weather. But I'm excited because I booked in a test drive because I am possibly purchasing the Model 3 in the coming months, but I want to give it a go and test drive. Also, this is going to be kind of exciting. For those of you guys that don't know me, hello, I'm Anika. I'm an American who lives in London, and I have not driven a car on the wrong side of the road, okay, because as an American, it's the wrong side of the road in years. So I'm excited to drive on the wrong side of the road, test drive the Model 3, give it a go. I do have my British license. It's just been years since I've driven on this side of the road, so this is going to be exciting. And I have driven Teslas before, but I've never driven the Model 3, so this will be really exciting. Anyways, let's go test drive, guys. Oh, this is nice. You can't see anything out of the rear mirror, by the way. Like at all. I have to get used to like touching a screen instead of everything being here. I'm actually kind of surprised at how smooth it feels because a lot of people say that the 3 doesn't feel as nice as the S, which I'm used to driving the S. But every time I come off the brake, it just slows down naturally, which is weird for me because I haven't touched the brake since I started the car because of this regen mode. I have to say, it's like one pedal driving though, because of the regen. Like right now, okay, let's slow down. Look, that was me coming off the brake. Doesn't it feel weird? That was so weird. I'm really enjoying this, but then again, I'm driving out of London right now, so driving out of London means there's less traffic and less people just cutting in and out. So far it's easy. Let's see how I do on a roundabout or how I do in traffic. That'll be a tell. But so far the car is basically telling me what to do. It's like, oh, you're too far right, you're too far left. Which, I mean, all Teslas do that, but it's nice to have that when you're not used to driving on this side of the road. I also feel really weird that I cannot see the way that the trunk is right now. Like, you can't see anything out of the rear view mirror. I'm like waiting for the car to go, you know? That was bad. Oh, that is quick. That was quick. Whoa, that was nice though. Did you feel how quick it picked up, by the way? Feels good though. Feels good driving again. Woo! I'm way too excited about this. So, just finished the test drive. A little nerve-wracking at bits because I was a bit nervous driving on this side, but I got used to it. It's really nice. I think it kind of drives itself. That regen mode is really, really something I have to get used to. And what regen is when you let off the gas, the car automatically goes into kind of like a braking state. I really felt like I was driving with just one foot, or I didn't really touch the brake pedal much until like there was a hard stop and then I had to stop. But overall, drove really, really smooth. I think it was really quiet, really nice. The music was very nice in the car. What else do I have to say? I think overall it's just really nice. I really don't have much bad things to say about the car. I don't know. I feel very comfortable in it. Felt very easy driving. Just reversed in it too and saw all the cameras because there's a million cameras on this car. Do you guys think I should buy this car? Leave me a comment down below if you think I should purchase a Tesla Model 3 in the UK. I'm very, very tempted. It's such a nice car to drive. Also, give this video a thumbs up for me driving on this side of the road. It's been like a decade since I drove in the UK, and as an American, it was really strange, and some of the points of driving, I really felt like the lanes were quite tight, but I got through it. Tesla got me through. I really miss driving. I really, really miss driving. I think that's the Californian at heart that misses driving. Anyways, I really loved my test drive. Back home after the test drive. I have to say that was a really nice test drive. So as an American, a few things I just want to talk about that are a little bit different here than the experience I've ever had test driving in both America and in Germany. First of all, you get the car to yourself for 30 minutes, which you guys would have already seen. I got to drive around and do anything that I kind of wanted to do. I definitely got to test the acceleration. I did not get to test the 0 to 60 in a Tesla, which I know is really exciting to test, but to be honest, there was nowhere around in London that I could actually go from 0 to 60 on a road without having a whole bunch of cars in front of me. So I didn't get to try that. I did get to try all the music, a lot of the bits on the touch screen. All of that was really cool. The hardest thing I'd have to say that was weird to adjust to was the regen braking. The guy at the dealership did tell me, hey, when you let off the gas, it does regenerate the battery and it starts to kind of auto brake for you. So that was a little weird. I know you can turn it off, but he suggested that I keep it on because, you know, it helps with the battery life of the car. Aside from the regen side of things, driving it felt pretty normal, to be honest. It felt like driving probably a 3 Series is my comparison. I used to own a BMW 3 Series, so it was very similar to that. I would say that it didn't really feel any bigger or smaller. The only strange part, again, for me was the fact that I was driving on the right-hand side rather than in the left-hand seat, because as an American, and even when I was living and driving in Germany, it's a left-hand drive. So that was a little bit weird to adjust to, but the car itself drove beautifully. It was really smooth, picked up a lot. I know a lot of people say about the Model 3, there's a lot of road noise, which I didn't really hear it, to be honest. I mean, London's noisy, so I feel like London is always going to have road noise, but I didn't really feel like it was super, super noisy. The sound system, amazing. Ooh, that was really nice. I have to say it's a little bit different for me because my parents do have a Model S in California, and when I've driven it, all the speed and everything actually comes up right in front of you like a normal car, but with the Model 3, it's all on the screen on the left-hand side. So again, a little bit of an adjustment for me. I think that's just me getting used to driving that kind of car. I really like it. I really, really like it. I think I'm probably going to buy one. I'm not 100% sold. I might test drive again, but I really do like it. I've always loved the Teslas. I've loved the Teslas from when they first came out and I was living in California and I saw them for the first time. I've always loved them. I really love Teslas. I love everything that they stand for. I think they're really beautiful cars. I think that you get the whole sports car feeling, but obviously an electric car. And there's just so many benefits of owning an electric car in London right now. I know I don't need one. In London, you definitely don't need to have a car. But where I am possibly moving to soon, I will need a car to get myself around. So why not get an electric car? Because there's just so many government incentives right now to buy an electric car. If you guys want to see content like that, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up so I know to create more content around Teslas and owning an electric car in London. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed coming along with me and test driving today and getting to experience an American test driving in London. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to smash that subscribe button because I do make new videos every week and I love sharing my life in London with you guys. So make sure you subscribe and turn on that bell notification so you know exactly when my next video is going live. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys are having an amazing day wherever you are and I hope to catch you guys in my next video. Bye.